Hi guys! I recently bought this We Are Memory Keepers button press kit from the Happy Craft store online. It was delivered soon after I was informed of its arrival in the Philippines. I would like you to join me as I unbox this kit. Checking out the descriptions on the box, which says this is an all-in-one kit, works with paper, photos, fabric, and more. Everything you need to create small, medium, and large buttons. Let's get on and open it, shall we? The packaging makes me feel I have a premium item with so many possibilities to create really nifty buttons. Carefully sliding the contents on the table. Now the items are carefully wrapped according to type. So we have the different sized buttons, foam tape, the instruction sheet, now this is the big and heavy button maker itself. It has a metal base. Now this is the small press inserts, size 25 millimeters, the base, the top, and the cutting die. The medium press inserts is sized at 37 millimeters. With the cutting die, its base and top. And finally, we have the large press insert size at 58 millimeters, its cutting die, base, and top. Now these two white pieces are the cutting inserts, the top and base. Complete items. Now all we need is someone who can give us a demo on how we can create amazing things with this button press.